What's up? Good weekend, loving the markets. Welcome to another day with Nasdaq Legends, guys. We came here to a lot has been happening. This is I can even see that very significant. You can even see that it's still holding up too much. That's how the market moves. But let me go. I analyzed this one last time, so I have information about it. Okay, let's go, guys. Unfortunately, I was a bit occupied, but let's go. Let's clean. They said when you begin with signals, guys. We send to signal on USDJ. You can say that. So the opportunity. Hope y'all guys almost. But okay, and please, here we go. So welcome, guys. Hope y'all had a nice weekend. Enjoyed Heritage Day. But now we're back onto the markets, guys. It's time to make that moolah. Last time I analyzed this pair, it was definitely going down, and I told everybody to enter sell trades into this pair. I hope everybody is enjoying. If you're still holding, tell me. Because we do have some day traders in our group, and we love everybody to just share the information what they enjoy about the markets. So guys, as we look at this pair, we've been in a consecutive downtrend, guys, from the moment we touched there. So guys, I'm just gonna do trend line analysis, maybe some flip levels, show you some breakouts, and share sell entries so that all of us can make that moolah. So guys, understand I have an arrow. Let's get an arrow, guys. The whole our market has been with us, guys. How long have we been? I'm just showing you. Since we can say the selling initiated 10 February, around 10 February, guys, the bear market for your USD started. So this is mainly due to fundamentals, guys. There's a war in Ukraine, so it shows that the Eurozone has a lot of conflict, and that is negative for the euro pair. Guys, gas prices have increased very much because of what Russia is doing in the war against Ukraine. So this is a matter of fundamentals playing out on the charts, and us as traders, we use technical analysis to enter the market. So guys, what we out everybody, down arrow could be a bit one thing. If I'm always willing to answer, might think we're a bit sluggish. Please, hold your horses, be patient. We're about to bring in us. We've been analyzing from the daytime frame because we use wisdom, guys. So we for about February to October for about 8 months. Fortunately. Oh, fundamentally. Let me just remove that. Been in a downtrend. Okay, guys, that's the months. So for 8 months, the pair has been selling. Why would you want to make an idea for a buy entry, guys, when you're in a market that's definitely paying you when you're selling, guys? So that's what pays. Then you take the sell, guys. The trade, as you can see, it's a downtrend, consecutive downtrend during the daily time frame. Fundamentally, gas prices are going up. The USD is increasing interest rates very fast. They're tightening very hard, much faster than any other country. Or any major country competing with them, they're tightening rates, and this is to tackle down inflation. When you tighten interest rates, your currency pair increases its value because there is less money flow of that currency. That means the currency, they're making less of that currency, so that means that currency is there more, guys. So that's just a fundamental statement. If you watch, the Fed, and you wanna get your fundamental analysis right, so you know how to get the most out of your pair. That's something you should look into. So here we go into the daily time frame, and we start using our technical analysis, guys. When we use our techniques, because we use the previous data to forecast the future data, guys. So you can see that we're in a nice downtrend, guys. So if I would label this would be our high. Here it is. As a little bit, how can I say this? Because WHACH is not the price, so it's always best we touch the higher highs based on the size of my trend line, guys. So moving that, here we go. Very beautiful, guys. You can see that we are in the downtrend, guys. How do we analyze, guys? We start from left to right. We look at the pattern. Is our pattern an uptrend? Is it a downtrend? Is it consolidating? We have realized Euro USD has been in a downtrend for 8 months, guys. So once we look here, from the moment we started selling, we had a low. We had a high. We had a lower low from our previous low, lower low, Then we had a lower high. So this lower high was the first point that we have the first touch and the second touch of the trend line. We can forecast the third, fourth, and the future touches. So guys, as you can see, we had a low, a high, a lower low, a lower, and now a new lower high. And this was Friday, guys. We've been selling the Euro USD pair, if you think of it, guys. So you can see this was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So from Monday, if you enter the sell entry on Euro USD, you would have been enjoying the profits, guys. If you're a swing trader, but the selling on Tuesday, I don't remember what quite time. The Fed increased its interest rate so by 75 basis points. So when they increase the interest rate, that means the value of the currency pair, which increased its interest rate value, goes up. So as you can see, the USD pair increased its interest rate. That means the euro becomes weaker against the USD pair. So that's why euro USD has been selling because of consecutive interest rates in America. That's the fundamental statement, guys. And the euro is in a weak situation where it's in a current war and there's supply bottlenecks in China. So there's a whole lot of and current problems, major interest rates, guys. So guys, as we look, very juicy, guys. You can see how many times have we been. So guys, I only enter sells once the price has touched my trend line, guys. Because why should I be buying if the market is selling? So like I shouldn't be it's better to enter a sell opportunity because it's definitely gonna sell instead of trying to enter a buy opportunity that might sell. You see, you're not gonna win. So guys, I'm gonna highlight the moments we sold. I mean this was the creation of the trend line, first touch, second touch, and now you could enter a sell and relax and be positive. This was our first entry on the sell of Euro USD. This was our second entry on the sell of Euro USD. We also entered the sell of I would consider this our fourth entry of the sell. But initially, the touch of the trend line from the moment we created the trend line, was a retracement which reached very close to the trend line. So there's a selling opportunity. 4 times we found this opportunity. Telegram group sharing entered as I did tell everybody that the profits will be larger than 600 pips or around that profit range between 400 and 600 pips, guys. So one thing I can also tell you is that this is a very simple trend line, trend line drawing, guys. So guys, when you do your trend lines, guys, they should be just touching where the price ended. They shouldn't be, when you're creating your trend line, they shouldn't be cutting the candlesticks. They should never be cutting the candlestick. You can only cut a wick, guys, because it's the price which was moving. It was never closed at that price. So guys, if we like to, gather more information, let me show you a very simple cheat code, something I learned from the trading industry. Guys, it's very simple. Mara, just look at the magic I might do. I just pressed copy on the trend line right now. Okay. Guys, I copied that trend line. Now I'm trying to paste it and I see it's not showing up. Clone. Wow. Okay. So guys, this is so unfortunate. I just wanted to show you a nice simple way to get the exact same trend line at the bottom of your price. But I see that the trading view is lagging. So unfortunately, that's what happened nowadays. They get a few bugs. But so guys, we can still do the same trend line. But from this moment, we just taking it here. And this, because it's a downtrend, we use our closest approximate information. We don't use our last information because it's not guaranteed. So I'm in between. And this is a good way for you to estimate the next bottom, guys. When you're asking when should you close your Euro USD trades, guys, this is how you are gonna enter, guys. This is how you are gonna enter your trade, guys. Look, guys, how many pips is this? This is 900 pips, guys. Very tight stop loss, guys, because it just touches our trend line. So we just have a stop loss about 50 pips, guys. Nice tight stop loss. And huge profits, guys. Huge profits. huge amount of profit, guys. This is about how much? 900 pips with the 0.01 lot size. This is approximately how much would this be in, in rands, because pips are calculated in dollars, so it would be 1 point something. I would like to say please calculate this amount by 1,5. So let me just do that for everybody. Calculator. Ooh, okay. 921 times 1. That's 1.4 thousand rand. Approximately 1.4 thousand rand. From the moment I told everybody to sell, and you were just risking about 90 rand, guys, to make 1.4. Imagine such a simple trade. And this is not the take profit, guys. The take profit is right here, guys. Price this bottom, moment, this bottom. So guys, okay, it was a very simple. This interesting. So guys, but all in all, it's not over, guys. The selling will continue, guys. The selling will continue. This whole week, you should be anticipating a sell on EURUSD. Nothing new, nothing major. So that's how EURUSD has been going, guys. So you can see that these are nice trades, delicious opportunities. There's not, you can't even see the profit there being around amount. This is a huge. Like I was telling you how much you would have had in your pocket right now. Would have 1,400 rand from opening 0.01. So imagine you could have made 15,000 from opening 0.10, which somebody opens in one day. Those scalpers and stuff like that. But you could have made more money just holding your trade, making the right decision. So it's a very simple trade setup. But you can see, guys, we get not strong enough retracements for us to expect to buy, like to enter the market. But look at this sell. But the question is, can you sell next week? Okay, guys, let's go into these are such beautiful moves, guys. I hope everybody gets the chance to enter these trades, because the sell here, you could have entered the sell here, you could have entered the sell here, and I did send out signals for the sell entries, guys. So I'm always sending nice juicy signals, guys. It's patience, you take your time with it. That's how you get the best opportunity. So if we look into the smaller time frame, EURUSD 4-hour time frame, this is a major sell. While it was selling, they don't want to sell it for the break of some sort of support in the week. Somebody entered. I sent signals to enter the sell. Once we retrace support, we retest the support. So this was the sell entry. So another sell entry if you go into the smaller time frame. So guys, we're moving to smaller time frames so that we can enter a better trade with a trade with less risk, because it's a smaller time frame. So that means it's a bigger opportunity with less risk, guys. We like to put nice risk management, guys. So we came from the larger time frame to the smaller time frame. Reason being that we always start in the larger time frame because the larger time frame controls the market more. The larger the time frame, the more control it has in the market, because it has more control and it shows more information. The smaller the time frame, the more information, the overload of information you get might make your trade not even valid. So guys, that means if you're trading in a 30-minute time frame and there's something moving, there's a candlestick in the daily time frame that's saying a red candlestick in the daily time frame that's saying sell, and your 30-minute candlestick is a buy, you shouldn't be entering the buy, because the daily time frame is telling you to sell. So that's what it's saying, guys. The daily time frame, if we can highlight right now, the daily time frame, so the daily EURUSD has been in a downtrend. You see, guys, I wrote it up there. I think I'm just thinking of moving it. I don't know why it's just this down here. EURUSD has been in a downtrend for 8 months. So even on the weekly time frame, on the monthly time frame, we've been selling, guys. So 8 times 4, that's like that's 32. 32 weeks we've been selling the pair, guys. Imagine that. 32 weeks of holding a EURUSD sell would be making you so much money. This is thousands of pips in 0.01 lot size, guys. This is just so much money. So guys, this is the so as you know, rectangle. Trying to hold for the trend line. So guys, for our smaller time frame now we're at the 1-hour time frame, guys. This is now where your money is at, where they say put them bucks up. So I would like to go into 45 minute time frame. People, entry. So one thing you can see this level right now. If you want to enter a nice, just wait for the price to retest, guys. So that makes your money. So it's a nice brush of how we expect price to move. We expect during the week to enter a buy and we sell. So that's just a simple basic, analysis. Just if we try to, find levels of resistance and support, just so we can, have levels of, we can trust very well. Here's the 15-minute time frame. Not orders, guys. This is what we're looking for. Basically, it's not orders. Guys, I wanted to show you other currency pairs like Euro AUD because there's a sell there. If you enter my Telegram group, guys, the sell opportunity, I shared it over there. I shared a nice analysis on how you can enter the sell on Euro AUD. And guys, there's a lot of money opportunity in this market. Patience, discipline also, guys. So you can see that price and then after, and from the moment we touch the trend line. So guys, Fibonacci just showed you when to enter sell entries, guys. If it's a Fibonacci retracement, guys, if we're in a downtrend, guys, the Fibonacci, you want to know how you position it. You position it from your peak to your low. So from that peak to this low, guys. And it's not a coincidence that somehow exactly over here, that's where our resistance was. Downtrend 61% here. Firstly, I'll just say wait for price to touch the trend line. Don't wait for price to line. Now it's time to enter. If price touches the trend line and touches this resistance, that's very beneficial, guys. Nice opportunity, but not aggressive, guys. So you can see that price was already trying to hold this as the 15% level. So it's very tight. So this is a very tight, so everybody gets the opportunity. We should be expecting something of this nature. There, and we enter in yourself. We enter a nice tight stop loss. 30 pips max, say yeah, but 25 pips get nice, nice cash, and you just hold that and you keep running down because with getting the selling, the buying might start now, but the selling will continue. So guys, I hope you enjoy the markets. Have a good day, and enjoy these trading opportunities. Okay, guys. Before I end this video, guys, please join my Telegram group, guys. If you want more information on what pays the trading, what's the premium group for our trade all your profits, stop loss and take profit. The take profit is very huge, guys. It's very just a problem.